Okay, we're going to go ahead and take this oil cooler off and replace it. As you can tell, it took a hit as well. Some of the fins are damaged. Voltage regulator above it, just slightly pushed in. We'll bend that back to where it needs to be. So we'll take off the entire housing that holds the voltage regulator and the oil cooler. It's pretty easy. Got a couple of T27s back right over here, one on this side, one on the opposite side. A couple more T27s up here on top. And got a couple T40s. One right here. One right here. That'll take off this entire housing for the voltage regulator, oil cooler. And then we'll go ahead and disconnect the oil line on both sides. So let's grab our tools and get to it. I'm going to use a quarter drive to get this bolt off. It's in a fairly tight spot, and the 3/8 drive just won't fit in there. This will pretty much come off. Gonna have to disconnect the two lines, one here, one on the opposite side over here. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. We just got back from Harley and we got our oil cooler. So we're about to be putting that into the 2022 Street Glide behind us. Please stay tuned in for our build series, because what we're doing with the 22 Street Glide behind me is we're going to be doing a full custom with a front tire that's going to be a fatty front tire. We're doing a custom paint job, all kinds of other goodies. At the end of the build series, what we're going to be doing is giving it away to one of the lucky subscribers. So please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Thanks, guys. Okay, she's all installed and finished, just like new.